At InnovMetric, innovation is not just a concept, it's a commitment to the people we serve. Our journey has taken us from modest beginnings in Quebec City to our current standing as a global leader in 3D metrology software solutions, allowing us to reach many corners of the world. Yet one thing remains unchanged. The success of our clients is, and always will be, at the core of everything we do. Our 3D measurement software, PolyWorks, is more than just a tool. It bridges the gap between the dimensional inspection challenges manufacturers face and the high-quality results they need to enhance efficiency. Whether it's delivering actionable dimensional inspection data to improve manufacturing processes or optimizing product designs, PolyWorks transforms the way our clients work, doing so with speed, ease, and an unwavering focus on empowering people. For us, innovation is just the starting point. What truly matters is building lasting partnerships and achieving mutual success. We listen. We adapt. Our solutions are trusted by organizations all over the world, including the 100 largest manufacturers, to power the digital transformation of their 3D measurement processes. Whether it's partnering with manufacturing giants or small leading innovators, we're with them every step of the way. With a passionate team spread across the globe whose members speak local languages and build meaningful connections, InnovMetric is proud to be a company that thrives on human interaction. It's not just about growing bigger, it's about growing closer to our clients, to our teams, and to the communities we support. At InnovMetric, we innovate with a purpose. Because behind every solution, there's a person. And for us, that's where the real journey begins.